I'm going to share with you how to weld this floating briolette permanent bracelet. So here we go. What we're going to do is, using this Moss Aquamarine drop, I want to do a bracelet. So what I did was I figured out where exactly she needs it, plus some of the stone. And what you can do is pre-measure, but also what you can do though is do this, add your stone, oops, sorry, and then drape in, taking that piece of wire, figure out the length. When you're happy, then cut the excess wire. Oops, let me just readjust like this, and I'm going, and then pinch. Okay, so I'm gonna shift the angle like this. And what you want is not over the top, you want right here behind, like this. So all the excess is gone, and this is what you're left with. Okay, so now this is going to be the back, because this is going to flip over that way as it will naturally. So I want the wire to be right here. Now, you don't need a whole lot of excess. I'm going to do this so that they're pinched together. And I'm going to put this here. Trim the excess. You see, there's a little bit left. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. It balled up. Okay. So it balled up, it's smooth, and then when you flip it, looks like this. Now if I press down, does that feel uncomfortable? No. There you go. I'm going to see how it will drape. And it drapes perfectly. Thanks for watching. Please support my effort to freely share knowledge by liking and subscribing to my channel. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And I'm going to leave links below in case you want to purchase at wholesale any of the components or the tools I've used.